I get to see where his siblings are all going to run outside and say, play on their bikes and go for a bike ride. And I watch the siblings invite each other to go play outside. Hey, the neighborhood kids are coming over. We're all going to play baseball. Do you want to come? But I don't see him being invited. I see where all of the other kids kind of go outside and play, and then he pops up and kind of looks around and sees, oh, everybody's moving, what's going on? So he jumps up and he goes. And the guides say to me, he happens to be there, but he's the one that has to make the effort. And if he doesn't make the effort, Karen, then he's always feeling left out. And when he does engage with his siblings and the neighborhood kids and the friends and goes outside and participates, they often forget that he's there, so they'll split the teams and he'll be standing there like they didn't even see him, and they'll just start the game. And he'll have to actually ask somebody whose team he's on. And quite often, nobody seems to care. So he puts himself on one of the teams. So I tell Rodger all of that, Kelly, and he says to me, oh God, he goes, you're totally explaining to me how I currently feel and what's going on in my life and what brought me to therapy.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.